Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you a case that this brand sent to me for the new iPhone 17. Check it out. We're going to dive in right now. Check it out. You have this beautiful and minimalistic case for your new iPhone. But of course, one of the most important things is how minimal details this one have. If you like to keep it that way, keep it simple, this is the phone case you need. Super cool things, good features. This one right here, the lenses are going to be protected inside because the lenses are kind of like inside of the case and not outside. So if your phone falls and lands horizontally, you will have that protection. Also, shockproof corners. If something like that happens and it falls on the corner, the impact is going to be absorbed by the corners itself. Really nice details right here with the buttons on the both sides, as well as the catted edges for your ports, for your speaker, for your microphone. But of course, what you want to see is how it looks with this phone right here. Check this out. This is beautiful. It looks really nice just with everything that I was just telling you before. And of course, with this color looks fantastic. But of course, the best thing about this one is how nice this one is with the lenses. If it falls this way, of course, it's going to be protected, as well as the shockproof absorption. Looks fantastic, super minimalistic, especially created for you and your phone.